Hey guys, welcome back to Hackers Colony Tech, and this is Azhar. So guys, today's in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to install Kali Linux on your Android phone or PC without rooting your device or causing any damage. I'll guide you through the complete setup on how to transform your phone or PC into a complete powerful ethical hacking machine using a hosting of VPS. This method is 100% safe, secure, and gives you 24/7 access from anywhere. So if you want to master ethical hacking the right way, so stay tuned because we are starting right now. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to the description of this video. In the description at the very top, you'll be able to see this affiliate link, https://hostingr.com/hco10. Simply copy this link and open in any of the browsers. Open the browser and at the very top, paste the link and hit on enter. So as soon as you hit on enter, you'll be able to see over there virtual private server for more power and more control. So simply you have to scroll down and click on choose plan. So as soon as you click on choose plan, you'll be able to see over here KVM1. So you have to scroll down and look for the popular, that is KVM2, and that only costs you $7.99 per month. And the benefits that you get over here is 2x CPU cores and 8 GB RAM, 100 GB NVMe disk space, and 8 TB bandwidth. That's more than enough for you to run a Telegram bot and AI assistant that will run for you 24/7, and you can run Kali Linux without rooting your phone. So simply you have to click on choose plan. So you can see KVM2 plan, and below it you can see period and 24 months plan. So simply click on it and you can choose any plan whichever you want, 1 month, 12 months, or 24 months. So if you choose 1 month, you don't get any coupon or anything, but if you choose 12 months and 24 months, we are providing you a 10% off that you can see in the left side of the screen, coupon code, that is HCO10. You can simply use this coupon and you can get a 10% off on the 12 months and 24 months plan. And the best thing about this is that, guys, you can choose the plan at any point of time. If you found this is not useful, you can simply cancel it and you can get your money back within 30 days. So you have a 30 days money back guarantee. That's the main thing about it. So you have to scroll down and you can see auto daily backup. If you want, you can select on that. If you're not, you just want to skip it. And then you can see have a coupon code. Simply I'm typing over here HCO10. When I click on apply, you can see over here I get a 10% off, that is HCO10, and I'm getting a 10% instant discount on it. So you can see a discount also added over here, and then after that you simply have to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it will ask you to register. You can register using your Google or your email directly. So since I'm already registered, I'll directly log in. So once you're registered, you have to log in, and once you log into the page, it will take like a couple of seconds to let you into the Hostinger VPS dashboard. So once you're in, you will be able to see billing address. So you have to fill up your billing address and all, and then scroll down, select payment method whichever you want, and then click on submit payment. So I'm not going to do this because I've already done this. So I'm simply going to log into the Hostinger account with the user ID and the password. Same, you will also have to do it once you're done with everything, and then you will be in the Hostinger dashboard. So once you're in the Hostinger dashboard, you will be able to see welcome to Edge Panel Hacker. So that's my username. You will have your own username. So once you see this left top corner, click on the 3 parallel lines. Once you click on this, you have to scroll it down to the bottom and click on VPS. So once you click on VPS, you will be able to see to the left top get VPS. Simply click on get VPS, then select on KVM VPS. Once you click on that, you will have to select the server location whichever you want. So simply click on it and select the server location whichever you want. So simply click on the server location, and then you have to click on next. Once you click on next, you have to install the OS you want. So simply scroll down and select Kali Linux, click on submit. Then you will be able to see secure your VPS access. So simply you have to click on root password and create a password that you will be needing it whenever you try to log into the Linux through the VPS. So simply I'm not going to do anything because I have already set up. So I'm going to leave this page and I'm going to go to directly the main page where I have already set up earlier. So I'm going to start the Kali Linux as I've already stopped it. So I'm going to start the VPS. Once I click on start, and then below that you will be able to see over here root access, and to the right side you can see SSH root. So simply you have to click on this and copy it, or the right side you can see there's a copy box. Simply copy that one and then minimize and go to your Termux and simply paste this. So you can see once I paste this one and hit on enter, it will ask me for the root permission, that is the password. So simply you have to enter the password, the same password that you have generated earlier. So simply you have to enter the password, the same password, and then once you enter, now you can see on the screen I have got a message from Kali developers that I have got the root permission. Now to make it sure that I have got 100% root permission, I'll simply run a command that is sudo apt update, and I'll hit on enter. Once I hit on enter, you can see it's working perfectly fine. It means that I have got the root permission. Now I'll try to show you by running a Wi-Fi tool that is used by the ethical hackers, that's called Wi-Fi, and that needs a root permission to run this tool. So simply I'm going to type a Wi-Fi space -h and I'll hit on enter. Once I hit on enter, you will be able to see this tool is working perfectly fine. So let me scroll up and show you. See, this tool is working perfectly fine. Now I'm going to show you another one more tool, that is air cracking. This also needs root permission. So simply I have typed air cracking, and once I hit on enter, you can see this tool is also working perfectly fine. So guys, this video was till here only to show you how you can run Kali Linux on your PC or Android phone without rooting, causing any damage to your phone, safely, securely, 24/7, anywhere, anytime, and it's much more safer at a very cheap price. So guys, video was still here only. If you have found the video interesting and helpful, do like, subscribe, and click on bell icon for more interesting ethical hacking videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.